Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you this sneak preview of my custom mix acrylics that are on my website right now, kittyclaws.business, so go check those out. But today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create these really fun, really cute, simple nail designs, and you don't need much product or tools. So I'm starting off with my nail tips. I'm starting off with my Elite 99 gel polish and this jealous. Oh, I just got it. Like jealous. Anyway, sorry, like gels for the J. I just got the name of the. That was like a dumb moment just now. Anyway, I'm using jealous nail gel polish. I got this from my Ready Guana subscription box. You can look up the company, but I didn't buy it. Elite 99 polishes, I can leave a link to where I bought them from, and I showed you my Madam Glam. So I'm doing two like army type designs, one in pink and one in green. So the green one, of course, I put the jealous down and I put the green coat, let it cure. And right now I'm going in with my Madam Glam in that pinkish color. I'll leave the link for this one down below. And I'm going to cure that for, I believe I did it for 60 seconds. So a 1 minute cure in my UV LED lamp. You can do this army like fatigue design with any colors. Just try to get some really good complementary colors or colors within the same color family. You want a good base color, and then you need a color that's brighter and then a color that's duller or lighter, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So for example, here for my green army fatigue, I have that like olivey deep green as the base, and then I'm going in with this tan color as an accent to add to my fatigue. And the next color, it's a very like a tree green, I guess I want to say, or a forest green as opposed to the olive green. So they're all within the same color scheme, color palette. I have two different greens. I have the tan to offset the greens, but you layer your colors basically is what I'm saying. It's best to go with 3 colors, like I said, a base color, and then your 2 complementary colors are the colors you're adding to create the fatigue look. So I'm using my dotting tool. That's literally the only tool you need to do that design. I'm taking the small side of my dotting tool and I'm just making irregular like blotch type shapes. That is literally all you have to do, guys. Seriously. Just make sure when you're applying it, you don't get any air bubbles. So when you're using the dotting tool, you can pretty much pop the air bubbles out and just spread the gel polish along, and just don't fill out too much of it for the first color. As you can see, I'm still making sure you can see the green, and I'm still leaving some spots where I'm going to add the tan color. Okay, guys? So, yeah. Keep watching. Okay, so for the pink, I'm doing the same thing. So I have that really nice pink as the base, and then I'm going in with this other, it's like a grayish pink, I want to call it. I don't know what you would call that. And then I have this other like really not Barbie, but this other pop of pink. So I'm going to go in with that brighter pink and do the same thing I did on the green nails, just making these oblong, irregular, just shapes. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's why I love doing army fatigue or cow nails, or any kind of animal print type nails, because you don't have to be perfect. The less symmetry, to me, when you're doing these kind of designs, it's more aesthetically pleasing. So keep that in mind and just have fun with it. You just put it where you think it would work. As you can see, I put more on this nail because this nail is slightly longer than the other nail. So that's another rule of thumb when you're doing nails. Depending on the length of the nail, you may have to cut back on your design just a little bit, but not too much to where they don't know what you're doing, but just enough that it fits perfectly on the size nail you're using. Anyway, so as you see, I'm going in with that tan color on the green army nail, and I'm just filling in certain spots, just adding it as highlight pretty much. But I am doing it in a way that I can still see the base color underneath. You don't want to fill it up too much, but just enough that you can still see the base color, to where the base color now looks like it's outlining the accent colors you added pretty much. And I'm doing the same with the pink. So I'm going over and in between and making these irregular, just like weird shapes, and just filling it in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's really all it is to an army fatigue nail. Like, you can use black, a gray, and an off-white to do that other like snowy look fatigue kind of combination anyway. Or I like the pink because I'm me, so I can't do actual army fatigue, but the pink I love. I actually wear a lot of army fatigue clothes, just not just green, like I said, different colors. Anyway, to me, the army fatigue nail looks beautiful in matte, so I'm just using my matte. I got this IT matte gel from, it was in my nail box from Red Iguana, but I'm sure you can just find some, but I'll try to find that one and leave that link below. And yeah, guys, this is how my army fatigue nails came out. I think it came out pretty cute. I actually really do like doing it. I haven't done it on myself yet. I think that might be my next nail. I don't know. We'll see. But I hope you guys liked this simple design, and all you needed was a lamp, your gel polish, and a dotting tool, pretty much. So the next design I'm doing is a giraffe nail, and I'm using a longer stiletto nail tip. You know, my favorite, gotta be kitty claws, so I gotta put some claws in there. So I'm using this like peachy brown color. It's like a you know, like a skin tone type color, I want to call it. And it's also from Elite 99. I kept it very true to the colors that I would expect, or I have seen a giraffe to be. But once again, you can get creative with this, and if you want to make a Dr. Seuss blue and purple giraffe, go right ahead. It's all up to your creativity. I just wanted it to I wanted to keep true to what the giraffe colors are. And same thing goes. I'm using this brown from Beetles, and I must say I need to buy more Beetles gel polish because it's so smooth. I love it. I got this as a gift from one of my YouTubers who decided to gift this to me because I didn't have any, and I was admiring her Beetles collection, and out of the goodness and kindness of her heart, she just did it. So thank you, girl, for that. I will say for the Beetles gel, when curing, make sure I would have cured this longer. Be careful how much you put on your dotting tool and how much you're putting on, because if you don't cure it properly, you'll get, like, it'll look gooey underneath. Like, if you press down on it, it'll be a little gooey. That's the only tidbit of information I'll tell you to be careful with. But other than that, enjoy and have fun. For the giraffe, I did some bigger, irregular shapes and smaller and mixed it in. And I kind of kept it true, like I said, to what giraffe colors are. But just have fun with it, really. And I'm going to cure this, and then I'm going to go over it again with the matte top coat because I think it looks really pretty. Another idea you can do is you can sugar the nail to give it a textured feel. So if you have a client or even yourself and you kind of like textured nails, if you sugar the spots, the spots that you have with some clear acrylic, you get that sugared effect, and it's so dope. I've done it before. I think I'll do another video showing you how I sugar that sugar technique on nails. If you like texture or your client likes texture just for fun, that's another fun thing, and all you need is your clear acrylic, you know? So not top coating, but I'm applying my matte gel polish, and this is the final look, guys. I think it came out really nice. And I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys are learning from my little tutorials and things like that. I'm gonna try to integrate more videos like this, just to help out my new nail techs, my at-home nail techs, whatever you want to call yourself. You're my kitties, and I want to share all the love. Thanks for watching.